Solve the differential equation dy over dx is 2xy squared. To solve this differential equation, we need separate variables. It means everything with y to the left, everything with x to the right. And we can see that we can just divide both sides by y squared to get dy over y squared is equal to, and multiply both sides by dx to get 2x dx on the right hand side. And now we can see that we can just integrate both sides because there is an expression in terms of y only on the left hand side and dy, and an expression in terms of x only on the right hand side and dx. And how to integrate 1 over y squared dy? Just applying a rule for the integral of x to the power n dx. And this formula is given in the data booklet, and it says that such integral is equal to x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a constant. And 1 over y squared, it's what? It's y to negative 2. Notice that you cannot integrate y squared using this rule directly in the denominator. It doesn't work. You must rewrite it in the numerator, so it's y to negative 2 dy, and applying this rule it becomes what? Y to the power of negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, and divided by the obtained power negative 1 plus a constant. And y to negative 1, it's what? It's 1 over y, so the left hand side becomes negative 1 over y, and plus constant, but we'll get a constant on the right hand side, and it's enough to write only one constant. It's not necessary to write two constants, because if you write two constants plus constant 1 plus constant 2, you can move this constant to the right and get c2 minus c1, and it's some another constant. So always write only one constant. It doesn't matter on the left hand side or on the right hand side. And it becomes, and what is integral of 2x? And applying the same rule, integral of x, it's what? It's x squared over 2. 2 over 2 is 1, so it's just x squared and plus constant. To find the constant, we need some point or some additional information, and it is given that when x is 0, y is 1, so substituting 0, 1, we get negative 1 over 1 is 0 squared plus c, so c is negative 1. Notice that you may find constant now, or you may solve for y and then find a constant. It doesn't matter, and it's required the answer to be in the form y is. So when you solve for y and substitute negative 1 for the constant, we get negative 1 over y is x squared minus 1, and let's multiply each term by negative 1 to get 1 over y is negative x squared plus 1, and just flip both sides like fraction is equal to fraction, so it becomes y is 1 over negative x squared plus 1, or 1 minus x squared, and it's the required expression in the form y is something in terms of x. And that's all for this question.